Centro Studi Galileo, European Energy Centre, together with the United Nations Environment Programme and the International Institute of Refrigeration, have organised 3 international events. On the morning of the 9th of June in Casal Monferrato, Italy, about heat pumps. In the afternoon at the Politecnico of Milan on the latest technology in renewable energy, presenting the outcomes of the Edinburgh Conference, which took place in the United Kingdom. On the 10th and 11th of June, the main conference was about the latest technology in refrigeration and air conditioning, presenting the latest components, refrigerants, European and international regulations of our sector.
The reasons of this conference. We will have changes in refrigeration and air conditioning industry, necessary changes. Why? Because first, we will have new regulations on F-gases, on flooded gases. Secondly, because of the role of energy consumption in climate change.
Refrigeration and air conditioning are nowadays essential for people, and they will see an even larger use in the years to come.
United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, its main role is to provide the assessment of environment and give an early warning signal to inform the people about various environmental issues. The Centro Studi Galileo as well as European Energy Centre are providing a training and building the capacity of the people to equip themselves to face the problem. So that's why the UNEP's objective, that building the capacity of the people, and what Centro Studi Galileo and European Energy Centre are doing, there is a training, also building the capacity so that matches. And we would like to encourage such initiatives of Centro Studi Galileo and European Energy Centre.
All the refrigeration sector is moving and will move very fast in the near future, because you will have new regulations, and regulations drive innovations. You need to reduce the energy consumption of buildings, and you need to use more renewables. And heat pumps, if they are efficient heat pumps, of course, they are a good solution for renewable energy.
Training and certification of personnel. The activities of leakage checks, for example, and recovery, and other activities like installation need to be undertaken only by certified technicians. Actions that could be taken. The technical study shows that there is a scope for further action to strengthen the regulation and improve the regulation. In the report, we have to consider also what is happening at international level for HFCs. So the discussions that are ongoing under the Montreal Protocol.
Manufacturing companies of refrigeration, air conditioning and heat pump equipment, such a phase down would be a solution to keep the necessary technological flexibility to come up with really the best solutions in terms of safety, in terms of energy efficiency, and in terms of emission reductions. Rather than if tomorrow there would be a ban of whatever product, then the industry and the users would be pushed to use products which might not be energy efficient, which might not be safe, which would have a risk for human life.
I believe Europe is now the leader in the world with so many countries, for example, Germany and Italy and Spain. They put a lot of money into solar PV technology and also solar thermal power stations.
Yes, it's vital now that building design is driven to reduce emissions, because buildings are responsible for so many of the emissions around the world. But in order to make change happen very rapidly, we need not only industry and science, as we see here today at this conference, but also the policymakers, the politicians, and also the clients, the people, the citizens who will make that change happen too.